The Battle of the Buckle Rodeo Minute is brought to you by Alberta's Chiropractors.
The Canadian Pro Rodeo Hall of Fame is located in Pinoca, Alberta, and is home to many of the legends of Canadian Pro Rodeo.
The association has been going since 1979. Our first inductions happened in 1981, but now we have a Hall of Fame to display all the artifacts and memorabilia of our inductees and legends. It's important that the competitors today, the rodeo fans of yesterday and today, remember that the guys that came before they have to be remembered. I mean, it's so important to share that heritage with the kids today.
Brought to you by Alberta's Chiropractors. For more information, visit albertachiro.com.